Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily sign out of your EA account. If you want to log out or sign out of the EA.com website, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptop and type in EA.com in the URL box. If you're already logged into your account, you can see this kind of a profile icon at the top right. Click on that and you will see a little sign out button underneath your profile. To sign out of your account, click on sign out and follow through the instructions. Soon after you click sign out, you'll be logged out of your EA.com account just like that. So it's pretty simple and easy. Now your account is secure. If you have logged in using a shared device, it is a good practice to log out or sign out of your account so that you don't have your account misused by anyone out there. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.